Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about Harry's dream. English short story. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a man named Harry. Harry was a middle-aged individual who had always played it safe in life. He had a steady job, a comfortable routine, and a group of friends. He saw he saw every weekend, yet deep down he felt an emptiness and longing for something more meaningful. One evening, as Harry sat alone in his dimly lighted apartment, he had a moment of reflection. He realized that he had spent years living in his comfort zone, never daring to chase his dreams. The thought of change scared him, but the thought of lifetime regrets scared him even more. With newfound determination, Harry decided to take a leap of faith. He began by researching his passion, photography. It had always been a hobby, but he'd never considered pursuing it seriously. He enrolled in photography classes, invested in a high quality camera, and started capturing the beauty of the world around him. As Harry immersed himself in photography, he discovered a world he had never known existed. He traveled to picturesque landscapes, met inspiring people, and experienced the thrill of capturing a perfect movement. Through his lens, the world seemed to come alive before his eyes, and Harry felt a sense of purpose he had never felt before. Of course, this journey was not without challenges. Harry faced setbacks, criticism, and self doubt along the way, but he persisted, driven by his newfound passion and the belief that he could achieve greatness. Years passed, and Harry's photography skills evolved to a professional level. His work began to gain recognition, and he even held exhibitions that drew crowds of admirers. He had transformed from a timid, routine driven man into a confident and accomplished artist. Harry's story became an inspiration to those around him. He showed that it's never too late to pursue your dreams and that the path of fulfillment may require stepping out of your comfort zone. He proved that with dedication and perseverance, anyone could turn their passion into a successful. So, remember the tale of Harry, the man who conquered his fears and discovered his true calling. Let it be a reminder that it's never too late to chase your dreams. Find your passion and live a life that truly fulfills you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.